to day one of Stitching Stories. We're here in the Philippines in Manila, and Cris, your baby is coming to life. We're teaching social entrepreneurs how to build and scale their social enterprises.
I'm Cristel Joy Rojano of Kakayanin PH.
Hi, I'm Francine Lima of Half of Tienda Wabas brand.
Hi, I'm Veronica Tabrilla. I'm the owner and founder of Vero Denim Bag.
My name is John Jade Montecalvo from Montecalvo Creation.
Hi, I'm Miguel Rosario. My brand name is Miguel Rosario. I'm a fashion designer.
Hi, I'm Jess from Fiblox.
Hi, my name is Mary Fatima Injugilon, and I'm the owner of Stichting Stories.
I have learned that social entrepreneurship really is the way to go for businesses.
The social enterprise, the very meaning of those two words.
We can't fuel the things that we want to do if we don't think of the business side, the profit side of it too.
So I need to be parang profitable first pala so that I can make an impact.
Go. Hi everyone, I'm Malte, and I'm here on a project of Stitching Stories, where we bring the stories of entrepreneurs here from the greater Manila area to life. So we have local social entrepreneurs, and we're giving them the tool set and the mindset to really change the world and change their communities through their business. So let's have a look. Right now, they're working on their pitch presentation. Let's see what they're coming up. How are you guys doing? Doing good? Coming together? Right, so it's kind of like what you really want to do is kind of connect the profit, connect the revenue, right? Connect your sales to your impact.
Ano ba tayo? Saan ba tayo nanggagaling? Ano ba yung pinagmumulan natin? Ano ba yung why natin? Bakit natin ito ginagawa? We always have to anchor ourselves. Bakit?
You just have to be true to yourself and tell your stories.
When you answer those questions, everything falls into place.
The most impactful for me is that you don't have to let your failures define you. You have to overcome your failures so that you can grow, kasi they will bring you new beginnings, they will bring you new opportunities.
Paano ka maghahanap ng mga tao na willing mag-pay para dun sa ginagawa mo?
My message to the social entrepreneurs with this is believe in yourself and get started, right? So the tools out there, it has never been actually more accessible to start your own business, to start your own venture, and have an immediate impact in your community by uplifting others, everyone you work with. This is what's the difference with social entrepreneurship. You're really not just doing it to optimize your profit. Profit is important, has to come first, but with the profit, you have the impact. So I encourage everyone out there to look into social entrepreneurship for a way for you to support yourself by loving what you do.